A far-fetched dream to work from the comfort of your home finally seemed to have come true with the advent of the global pandemic. However, during the pre-COVID times, the work from home culture was predominant in the western part of the world, especially in the IT sector. But in today's world, under the given scenario, this has become the new normal, and which seems to be there and is going to stay for an indeterminate period of time. Thanks to the evolving technologies like Skype, Google Meet, Zoom Meet, Hangout, so on and so forth, which have really made this work from home culture possible today. I have spoken to a few professionals who have been operating from home and are still continuing to operate from home to understand their views on this work from home culture. So let us have a look at the few clippings.
Hi, this is Samir. I'm a financial services professional with more than 14 years of experience. Just wanted to highlight a few advantages and disadvantages of working from home based on my personal experiences. So as far as the advantages are concerned, I would like to cite one is timing flexibility. So you have more control of your work timings, which is great. The other thing is there is no commute, and in cities like Bombay and all, your commuting times can be quite long, so that's another welcome thing. And of course, you are in the comfort and safety of your home, so it protects you from the infection also. So I think these are the key sort of advantages that I see. On the disadvantages side, I think I would like to first cite work-life balance. When we used to go to office, the idea was the day ended at a particular point in time, right? But now what has happened is that it sort of goes on and on, right? Of course, on weekends also, there is more work, compared to the scenario before. So I think that is one of the key things. And the other thing which I would like to cite is also working efficiency. So although your throughput remains same, your output is same, but because of lack of physical coordination, physical debates, discourses and all, the turnaround time to deliver expected output is more, right? So that again takes a toll on your efficiency. I would again cite that throughput is same, but it's the efficiency that suffers. So I think these are the primary things that I would like to share with you. Thank you.
Working from home added to a lot of benefits in our life during this COVID period. Out of them, I could love to share a few. One, we became wholly digitalized and more tech savvy. Working from home also added to the benefits of our working styles from office. We could give more time to the job, and travel time is involved in working more efficiently, and as it is a more comfort zone for us, the work level that we put in became more better. Along with that, we could even give time to our family and home at the same point of time when even we are working. Also, there are some disadvantages that came along with hand in hand. That is, we became physically absent from many places. Our voice is reaching, but we are not. We have become more self-conscious and confined it to our homes.
We just heard what they had to say and how it had impacted their life. But I have a feeling people may emote differently, but there is a common thread. Let us have a look at a few more clippings to understand their views.
Work from home has been redefined by COVID-19. There are advantages, there are disadvantages. Among advantages is definitely saving the travel time is the top in the chart. And how do you utilize that time? As long as one spends that time for the self-development, it is utilized well. But when it comes to the effectiveness of working from home, that cannot match with working in office. Because in the office environment, the spice you get, in the corridor you take major decisions, that cannot be possible while you are connected digitally. So I would suggest that work in office is definitely more productive until we create a similar environment while working from home. Probably we need ideas to create that environment at home, so be productive and be more developed from within. Thank you.
My name is Neera Inamdar and I'm a co-founder of a company called Realix, an entrepreneur, a working mom. Well, the advantages would be, yes, you get more time to spend with your family. that's amazing because the time that you spend going to office or out for meetings is now dedicated towards your children. You understand what is going on with them. There is much more peace because you're not running around with a hectic life. That brings a lot of calmness to you. You have more time to schedule your day and see how it progresses. It has been a wonderful experience connecting with the family, getting back to your basics, understanding yourself. And also, I believe a lot of health problems that we were looking at and a deeper understanding of who you are is what comes out through this work from home opportunity. When it comes to challenges, yes, it has because there's no fixed time. So unless everybody comes understanding that this is how it needs to go, that is how things would move. That is one of the challenges. Second is there's too much to do. You're looking at the household work because in between the maids weren't there, so you had to look at all of these aspects, looking at what needs to go into plates for the children and for yourself, looking at what is required, the pending items, which generally wouldn't come to your attention if you were out of the house. So all these small issues that suddenly accumulate and while you're trying to finish your meetings and then affect the way you work. The third aspect is there is no weekend or any holiday per se. The concept has just gone out of the window. Every day is a working day. At times you are working more than your scheduled 8 hours or 10 hours of work. It goes beyond that. You miss the human interaction. So that is what affects more to you. Because when you're in office, there's a constant interaction with your colleagues. There's a movement, so you're moving around. While at home, you're stuck to your table, you're stuck to your chair. There is not much mobility and you're looking at the four walls. That gets very boring. Thank you, and I wish we get back to our normal life as soon as possible.
Working from home obviously has some benefits that I have seen. I think the greatest benefit is your flex time because it allows you to, work on your own schedule, which allows me to work in the morning, afternoon, sometimes at night. We do anyway, but I think this gives me a greater flexibility of maintaining my schedule. Another benefit I see is on the cost side. The transportation cost, the fuel costs, the unnecessary waiting in traffic, especially if you're living away from the office. It takes you about an hour, maybe a couple of hours sometimes. So that's a big benefit. Obviously, another benefit staying at home means you get to spend more time with your family, be involved in small issues that typically happen at home when you're away in office. So lots of benefits. As far as challenges go, I think the challenge number one is maintaining a discipline, because discipline is somewhat automatic when you're in an office environment. When you're at home, you are the keeper of your discipline. So in other words, you have to maintain that discipline, avoid distractions, which is very important. Another thing I feel is sometimes the challenge is you're working in a bubble, kind of being isolated. So it's important to stay in touch with people, especially when you're at work. Try to, in touch with people and keep away from isolation, which can be a big factor. I myself, being in the real estate business, the greatest challenge that I faced was for real estate, a site visit is very important. Not everything can be done digitally. So that was a challenge that I faced. We overcome those challenges thanks to technology. But there's nothing like meeting the client, being at the site, and actually physically seeing it. So it's a mixed bag. There's some goodies and there are some issues, but I think all of us have faced it, have done well. That's what I think, and hope we get out of this pandemic soon and things are back to normal rather than the new normal. Thanks.
So now, to summarize the common thread in the form of advantages, three things have emerged out very prominently. The first advantage is flexi time schedule, and the second one is saving on transportation, time and cost. And the third one is spending quality time with our family members. And in terms of the disadvantages, to summarize, potential isolation has emerged as one of the main observations. Maintaining a disciplined work and life balance lifestyle. And the third is maintaining a self-motivated atmosphere. So guys, I hope this video has been of interest to you. And I would like to have your views and your comments on how have you taken this work from home culture. What are the benefits and the challenges you have been facing? do share me in the comment box. So this is a wrap up. Do let me know. If you have liked my video, then do not forget to subscribe, share and give it a thumbs up. I'll be seeing you soon with my next video. Till then, आप सब खुश रहिए and चुस्त रहिए. I love you all. Adios.